Hello, welcome to this training for Pi. This is another sensor that I'm used today, PIR sensor, proximity, right? So let me give you some ideas about this proximity sensor first, and then we move to test it. So this is about the sensor, right? We have two knobs here to finally configure or maybe change the sensitivity or detection distance. We have here time delay between the answers and also releasing that, right? So when you activate this sensor, then there's a delay time to act and also to finally to release that. Then for the pins, be sure that you correctly connect pins to your Pi. Otherwise, you do not have any reply, and you have always like intruder detected. So this is the way that I've connected my sensor here. As you see, this one, the black one, goes to ground, and then the red one, the middle one, is the output for the sensor, and the yellow one goes to VCC, right? Goes to 5 volts, right? Um, okay, so this is done. This is for the sensor. And on the other part, I have a 4 relay module. And then let me also bring something for that 4 relay module. This is like a very simple one, just same as one single relay module, but it has 4. So be sure that you remove the jumper. So this is the jumper that you can see here on these 2 pins. So you remove the jumper. So this is the jumper. Just keep it somewhere. You need to remove, maybe return it back. So when you remove the jumper here, then you have 2 pins. So you have the upper one, JDVCC, goes to 5 volt. Lower one, VCC, goes to 3.3. And then we have here ground in button. And then we have 4 inputs for 4 relays. And finally, please leave this VCC as empty here. This is your input to activate and energize relay 1, right? If you like to work to the other relays, you can send input to input 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So input 1, the one that I used, and it activates the relay 1. So now let's test the sensor. Let's get rid of this one and then bring it back to the other screen. And then this is the very simple Python code which sets pin 11 and pin 13 as input and output, and then to test the sensor. Remember that whenever you have here board, so it means that we are looking at pins, right? So if you look at pin layout from your Pi, so this is your pin layout. If you look at, if you say board, we are looking at pin numbers, right? Like pin 1, 2, 3, 4 means we are looking at pins. So here I said pin 11 means you should go to pin 11 here, and pin 11 is GPIO 17, right? So this is board. Whenever we look at BCM, then we mean the name. So when we say BCM and if we say 17, we mean GPIO 17, right? So this is the difference between board and BCM. Now let's run the program, and then this is no intruder. I'm going to so this is the detect me, right? As soon as I'm in front of the board, it detects me, and then when it detects me, it energizes the relay, and then as you see again, it detects me, and then it's released, right? As soon as it detects me, it activates the first relay, and then this LED will be on, right? This LED doesn't work anything here. but this is only one LED that works. So by those potentiometers or those knobs, you can test and change the sensitivity. But if everything works fine, as soon as your sensor detects your movement, then the relay will be energized. And as you see here, this input one also here shows you something about how it detects and how it's enabled, right? Okay, very simple. And this actually this sensor works very well, and you can use it even at home and in any projects. So that's it, right? Very simple way of working on our proximity sensor. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.